The Cookie Shot Robot at Caesar Palace, Las Vegas, Nevada. The world's first fully automated vending machine that prepares and serves Chef Dominique Ansel's iconic cookie shots. How to ordering. Customers place their order and pay using a QR code on their phone. Preparation robot. The arm inside the climate-controlled machine carefully selects a freshly baked cookie shell, moves it to a dispenser, and precisely fills it with the cold vanilla milk. Delivery. Once prepared, the finished cookie shot is presented to the customer through a rotating door. The show. The robot is a popular attraction, often drawing crowds as it operates, and sometimes even waves or dances playfully between servings. Cost. A single cookie shot costs approximately $8.99. Hours. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, perfect for late-night Vegas cravings.